could simply send an additive layer manufacturing machine to the moon, use the dust you find on the moon, and build the machine, the moon base completely automatically around you.
Appliances, aviation, oil and gas, power and waters are investing is actually the capability of this technology to open new design space.
I've greatly enjoyed the summit because of the quality of the speakers and the information that's been provided, together with an excellent venue.
This is actually my first 3D conference officially, and it's just been a mind-blowing event. The spectrum of topics and the speakers, and also the interaction at lunch has been really stimulating.
Using this, I presented this morning on the moon, but also in orbit in the space station, you could replace tools or broken parts directly emailing your part from Earth to the space station, and then you manufacture it in the space station.
So we're actually taking techniques or knowledge we've developed on welding programs for ships and moving into high-value platforms such as aircraft and applying it to additive manufacturing.
And this is unbelievable. This reduced the weight by 40 to 50% of a lot of parts in the aerospace. And for this I'm speaking in the moment, and I'm quite sure it's also in the other areas. And this is, for us, this is one of the biggest driver, the weight reduction.
Top class speakers, attendees have been great, lots of interest, fully recommend it, and we, yes, would attend again.